Hey kids, are you ready for another song? Let's do it. Make sure you have something to jam with. You need a shaker, a drum, whatever. I have a maraca right here. Remember this? You have one? It's alright if you don't. How about a drum? You have a drum? Remember my darbuka? Alright. Or you might have a drum set. Look at this drum set. I have a blue one in here today. Can you guys see this? Alright, now, excuse me. We're gonna sing a song called Willoughby Wallaby Woo. An elephant sat on you! It's gonna sit on me too! Do you guys know this song? Alright, now this song is pretty fun. And we're gonna change it up and we're gonna do a lot of different animals. Are you guys ready? It goes like this. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, an elephant sat on me. What? Willoughby Wallaby Woo, an elephant sat on you. Oh, Willoughby Wallaby Wong, I hope that you sing along. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, sing along with me. Uh-oh, now let's change it up. Let me see. Let's go to another country. The elephant is from Africa, right? Let's go south of Africa. Australia. Okay, let's do something that jumps. Can you guys jump? How about a kangaroo? Are you guys ready? Willoughby Wallaby Wee, kangaroo sat on me. Oh, Willoughby Wallaby Woo, kangaroo sat on you. Uh-oh, Willoughby Wallaby Wong, I hope that you sing along. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, sing along with me. Uh-oh, let's change it up. This time, let's go with a cute little snuggly one, a koala. Do you know what the koala is? Alright, koala, you're gonna be right over here, koala, so get ready. Here we go. Willoughby Wallaby Woo, koala sat on you. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, koala sat on me. Oh, Willoughby Wallaby Wong, I hope you can sing along. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, sing along with me. Okay, let's change it up again. Let's see. Uh-oh. How about a wombat? Do you know what a wombat is? I'm going to show you guys. You're going to see it. It's either going to be here or here. Which side? Are you ready? Willoughby Wallaby Wee, wombat sat on me. Oh, Willoughby Wallaby Woo, wombat sat on you. Look out! Willoughby Wallaby Wong, I hope that you sing along. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, sing along with me. Okay, let's change it again. Let's see, this time, a platypus. What is a platypus? A platypus swims in the water. It lives in the water, and it has a big bill. It's pretty cool looking. It's very different. Are you ready? Everybody say platypus. Here we go. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, platypus sat on me. No way. Willoughby Wallaby Woo, platypus sat on you. Look out. Willoughby Wallaby Wong, I hope that you sing along. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, sing along with me. Alright, now let's change it again. This time, let's do a dingo. Do you know what a dingo is? It's like a little dog. Really cute. Runs around in the Australian outback. And it's fast. Are you ready? Should we go fast? Follow me. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, dingo sat on me. Willoughby Wallaby Woo, dingo sat on you. Look out. Willoughby Wallaby Wong, I hope that you sing along. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, sing along with me. Alright, let's change it again. This time, the most famous Australian animal. Do you know what it is? A crocky! That's right! A crocodile. Look out. Where is it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you ready? Let's go slow. Be careful. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, a crocky sat on me. Oh, Willoughby Wallaby Woo, a crocky sat on you. Here we go. Willoughby Wallaby Wong, I hope that you sing along. Willoughby Wallaby Wee, sing along with me. Oh, crocky. Ah! All right, guys. See you for the next.
Say goodbye with your lips, lips, lips. Say goodbye with your lips, lips, lips.